Lightweight 6-cup jar. The plastic 6-cup, 48-ounce jar is easy to handle with a PerfectPour spout that eliminates drips and spills. 4-point blade. The multi-level stainless steel blade blends at multiple levels to improve efficiency and blending power. Voltage, 120 volts. Measuring lid. The clear lid insert doubles as a 1-ounce measuring cup, perfect for making ice mix drinks. Dishwasher-Safe Parts. Cleanup is a breeze with the Dishwasher-Safe pitcher, lid, and blade. 10 speeds with pulse. Find the right consistency for everything you make with a full range of blending speeds and a pulse function. The BLACK+DECKER 10-speed blender is a kitchen classic. With 10 speeds and a pulse control, operation is simple and efficient. The lightweight plastic 5-cup, 40-ounce jar is easy to pour from and holds several servings of your favorite soups, smoothies, and more. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe removable parts. Top reviews from the United States. Shocked at how well it worked. I have a much heavier duty blender but wanted a lighter, cheaper one to take on vacation. I wanted to make frozen blueberry and green powder almonds type smoothies daily. This was the cheapest one with decent reviews and I couldn't be happier and more surprised by its effectiveness. It is lightweight, blends as well and fast as my big one, and is easy to clean and store since it's sleeker. I was going to give it away at the end of summer, but it's more than worth the keeping and storing for future trips. I'll update and keep an eye on it if it breaks down or the blades get dull too soon. I took it on 3 to 6 day trips so far.